Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and removing every cable. This prevents shock and data loss. Once done, wait about 10 minutes for residual charge to dissipate and any HDD to park. Next, depress the faceplate clip and lift the plastic grills carefully. These are snapped in, not glued, so gentle prying avoids breakage. Make sure to use the correct Torx bits, T10 or T8, on visible screws and place each screw in a labeled tray, so reassembly is smooth and error-free. Once the top cover is off, you'll see the metal chassis and the power supply on the left. Remove the bracket screws and gently unplug the power supply connector. This frees the large module. Move on to the hard drive and optical bay. Disconnect ribbon cables by lifting the latch, not by pulling the cable. Then remove the motherboard screws in a star pattern to relieve stress evenly. Make sure to keep track of each connector's orientation so you know how it returns during reassembly. You'll finish by lifting the motherboard from the rear, angling it slightly to clear the front bezel and heatsink tabs. Take care around the AV and Ethernet ports so pins aren't bent. Once free, inspect thermal paste and fan. Old paste should be replaced and dust cleared for proper cooling. Reassemble in reverse order, making sure connectors click and screws are snug but not over-torqued. If it won't power up afterward, recheck seating of the power supply and all board connectors as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.